Alright, in the last video we did some testing. These were good, this was not, and we were going to try these for a week and see what happened, because I bought these 5 after this one. This one I bought, let's see, the one that isn't right, 3/7 I bought, and the shipment date was 3/25. And then before this even came, I thought I'm just gonna order 5 more right away because it's taking so long for this one, which I'm glad I did, because if I would have tried this one first, I never would have bought these 5. These 5 work. These are real. I've been on them 5 days now, and awesome. So I ordered these 3/25, and the shipment date was 4/1. So I ordered these on 3/25. This one I ordered 3/7. Shipment date was 3/25. So basically, when they shipped this one out is when I ordered these 5. All right, my personal best I hit with incline bench was today. I've been on these for 4 or 5 days, I think. Man, awesome. I feel really strong. Check out this clip. My personal best. I went for 1. I went for 1 rep, and check this out. Awesome. I'm best incline yet, and I've yet to bench press 225, which that's coming next too. I think I'm gonna hit it with these. So this one, I don't know what's up with it, but you can tell the difference between that and these ones. The white ones are the good ones. These, I don't know what to say about these. Yes, it costed me $40 for this bottle, but that's all right, because these are awesome. I'll take the one-time hit because they're that damn good that I can't believe how strong I am this week on these. Wow.
And totally redeem yourself.
So I kind of feel bad if anyone ordered these ones around that time frame. I don't know what to make of it, but I'm gonna open one. They definitely taste different when I did the taste test in the last video, and they look different too. So that's the ones. The white ones are the good ones. Let's always keep that in mind. The white ones are the ones that have whatever turkesterone in them, which is weird because they're all, even though they're, I don't know what to make of these white ones, but they work. I'm not wasting the white one. I will eat that. But I don't know if you can see the difference. The one on the right is a little lighter. Here, let's see if I can, here. It's a little different in color. This tastes really weird, like, I don't know. And this one I can tell has turkesterone in it. I can taste turkesterone. I've been taking these for what, 3 months now or more, and I can taste, I know when it's turkesterone or not because I can taste it in my body. But yeah, I don't know. I'm okay with, whatever it is. I know things happen. I'm not blaming no one, but these people don't know me. I don't know them. But I'm happy with this. I'm happy with these 5. I'm happy with. I just want to get this out there right away. That you totally. Here, I want to see if you can see, like this one, the good one right here. It's really powdery. And this one, the bad one, it's got chunks in it. don't know if you can see the little chunks. It's like little chunks. But this one, real powdery. No chunks. So maybe you could tell that way. Like you can see the chunks in there. I mean, this one looks like it's got, but it doesn't. All right, there you go. I don't know. I'm gonna let this, whatever it is. This is awesome. Absolutely awesome.